In this video, I will show you how to use Revolut RevPoints. So first of all, you need to go to the RevPoints tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you need to be sure that you have RevPoints set up in your account. And once you have done that, you will see this screen where you will see a couple of options for your RevPoints. So you can go ahead and click on upgrade if you want another plan, because you will start on the standard plan. This has no cost. And with this plan, you will earn 1 RevPoint per €10 or $10 or pounds spent. And when you upgrade your plan, let's say Plus, you will start getting more benefits. And when you upgrade to Premium, for example, then you will earn even more Rev points for less amount of money spent. And you will get also lower fees, for example, for crypto exchanges and unlimited currency exchange with no additional fees from certain timestamps. So that is the first thing that you can do. You can check if your plan is suitable for you. Most people will go with the standard plan. And if you have that, you can start earning points. And you can also redeem points. And these are the two most important and most used things. So let's say you want to earn points, then you can just go ahead and click on earn. And then in this section, you will see the ways how you can earn points. And I already told you that your debit card and making transactions and earning with spending is the most common way to get more points. But you can also get bonus points, for example, when you are booking hotels or when you are doing activities. And that will look something like this. So let's say you're booking a hotel. Let's click on something, click on confirm. And now it will load a bunch of hotels. Then you will see how much Rev points you are earning when spending. So with booking hotels, you will earn 1 point per €2 spent. So let's say we have this hotel in here. This costs €258, but you will earn a lot of Rev points in this offer. So this is another way on how you can earn the points. And let's say you have a bunch of points and you want to redeem them. Then what you can do is you can go and click on redeem in here. And now you will see ways of redeeming your Rev points. And you will see them at the top right. So when you click on this, you will see your balance popping up when you have Rev points. And if you want to redeem them, you're simply going to click on airline miles or stays, because these are the two ways of how to redeem Rev points. And if you want to redeem them, then it basically works like this. When you click on a stay and when you're looking for a hotel, then you will automatically see your discounted price with the Rev points reduced for that. So that is a way how you can redeem them. And this works the same with airline miles. You will just get some personal bonuses based on your balance of Rev points. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.